Okay, so it's Saturday afternoon and it's not raining today. So if you remember this truck, we lowered this truck a few weeks ago and we actually put spacers back in the front, the 1-inch spacers, because he was just scrubbing everywhere. And after the last video, when we dynoed the LeMans, I didn't get to drive it because it was pouring rain. Today's a clear day and it's Canada. It's only 2 degrees out, feeling like -3, but it's gonna be, that's as good as we're gonna get. So I want to drive my car, he wants to drive his truck to see if he's got the scrubbing issue anymore. So we're about to fire these things up. We're gonna let it warm up, and then we're gonna see what this thing feels like with 16 pounds of boost on the street. Now, with it being this cold, I'm probably just gonna spin a lot, but spinning's fun too. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road.
I'm ready when you are.
All right, so back home. Definitely some puckering moments on that one, especially the second one. Did you see that Mercedes that came up beside me on the bridge?
Yeah. Well, he wanted to race so bad.
I know. I just get a little pull, but he caught right back up to me. He actually honked.
Oh yeah, he wanted to race so bad.
Yeah, we had this white Benz that came up beside me on the highway. Did a little pull on him.
You'll see.
That was the end. Yeah, he honked. He was cool. He gave a little honk. He appreciated it. Yeah, I'm gonna get into some trouble with this car. Oh, you can still smell the rubber.
You can see the rubber on the back of the fender there.
Oh yeah, I got a little bit of rubber on there. A little bit. Tires are rolling on the back side of the treads a bit. Oh well. I didn't expect those tires to last long. Yeah, the 255 wide tire on the back, it's not gonna hook up at all. So we'll have to figure out something about that. Other than that, car works awesome. It is a blast to drive. And that might be the last drive I do for the year. Like I said, we're gonna start tackling the body on this. You actually see a few shiny spots here. The whole roof was one big dent. Somebody who had the car before me put something heavy on the car when they stored it. You can see the shiny spots. So I actually had a dent guy come and he straightened the roof out for me. So work has already begun with making this thing look better. But yeah, just wanted to take it out for a drive today, screw around a little bit, make sure this car runs the way I was always hoping it would, and it does. And we made sure Ryan's truck was also riding the way it's supposed to, which 10 times better.
Way better.
Yeah?
Night and day.
That's good. I don't want to pull that thing apart again. No. So that's it. Yeah, just screwing around, having some fun. Hope you enjoyed it. That's it.